Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, students. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, my dear. Okay. Let more students join the class. I'll be starting the class. Today's participants are ready. Abia, you did not send the video to me today.
सॉरी मैं आपको वीडियो सेंड नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ लाइट नहीं थी.
Because of electricity and teacher electricity issue, that's why I can't send you and that's why I can't make the video.
Okay, no problem. Amsal, do recitation, my dear. Unmute yourself, do recitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Sadaqallahul azim.
Sadaqallahul azim, jazakallah, beti. Okay. So yesterday you all did very good job. Fine. Beti Amna and Anaya, please open the video of yours. Fine. Mubashir, Thursday is your turn to get ready. I told all the participants, nowadays we are doing practice, but after Eid we will be doing it in final. Am I clear to all of you? These are the practice, and inshallah we'll be doing on the coming week. We'll be doing the final one. Ji beti Mubashir.
Yes, मेरे Thursday को क्या है आपने बताया?
Beti, you will practice on Thursday. It's your turn on Thursday. As I already shared the Wednesday participant names, like Asghar, Aryan, they all will do on Wednesday. Amsal, they all will be doing on Wednesday, and you will do on Thursday. Am I clear? So, Reja, are you ready? Have you learned by heart?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Rafi, you as well did not send the video to me, bete. Only Sinan sent the video to me. Ji Rafi, why did you send the video,
लाइट ही नहीं थी.
Okay, no problem. Today you have the time to send it to me. Fine, bete. I want everyone to practice a lot. If you don't practice, how will you do that? Rafi, your speech was very good. Sinan, your speech as well was very good. Very good, Sinan. You have sent the video to me as well, but Sinan, you have to improve the body language. Take it here. The other content was really nice. Okay. Now Reja is starting the practice. Reja, unmute yourself. I want all the participants do not interrupt in between. Reja, unmute yourself. Ji bete, what is start the speech of yours now? Let me record it.
Assalamu alaikum to my respected teachers and my class fellows. I am Reja of 6th grade. My topic is overall has technology help people to connect or isolate them. I will start my speech with a quote. With technology, there is so much isolation with people now that there are very few places where you can connect. Does technology help the people or isolate them? Connect people or isolate them? I have something here. Frogs complaining that today's technology isolates people and depends on the peculiarity of their opinion. I could not disagree more. Someone has a computer problem preventing them from doing something important. They are especially meaningful to me when the person reporting back. My grandma remind connecting with me makes my day. Technology does not isolate people. People isolate themselves regardless of what happens to them. Just because they are not willing or able to connect with you in the way you want does not mean they are isolating themselves. It is very possible, even likely, they are more connecting than you know using technologies you have elected to pass by. Even the kids spending time on their smartphones devices are using those devices to connect. So it may be in way you and I are unfamiliar with.
Very good.
It current society, not sincerely that current society relate to us, but the society of the time we live in. I believe we need to stop thinking technology is running everything, make us a slave. It to mindless using our smartphone all the time. It is enriching our lives, connecting us to the people that matter the most to us, regardless of how far away they are, connecting us to all kind of people whom we would not have met otherwise. Thank you.
Excellent job, Raja. Very good, fantastic job you did. But you have to little bit smile as well. You were looking very serious, my dear. Mashallah, the content was very nice. Your speech was very good. Your body language was very fine. But you have to carefully observe, like the face expression which you were using, it was very serious expression. So try not to show the serious expression when you are doing the speech. Fine, bete? Overall, it was very nice. Okay. Yes. The second participant, Amna, bete, Anaya, and Rafa, I'll be removing you if you don't open the camera of yours. Please open the video. Danish, Moise, all of you should sit properly. Everyone should sit properly. Come on. Okay, Asghar is joining us. Humaira is also joining us. Let them join. All the students should open the video. Okay. Rafe and Sinan and Abhiya, did you learn by heart, Abhiya? Did you learn the speech of yours, Abhiya?
Teacher, you said that send me the video. So teacher, little bit I have learned and I have now improved my
You will
face
be doing the
expressions.
final one now. You don't need to read it. You will be doing without paper. So learn by heart.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, Sinan and Rafe, have you learned by heart? Ji, Sinan, have you learned by heart?
Teacher, I made the video and sent.
Yes, very good, Betty Sinan. It was really nice. Your content was very good. But you have to improve the body language. Fine. You were not standing straight. Fine. Set the body language is very important. You look very impressive. Don't be scared. Don't be confused. And don't be shy at the moment. With full confidence, you have to stand over there. It was very nice, mashallah. Everyone watched and the camera, it was really nice videos. But
Teacher,
two
your
things
voice
you
is
have
not
to
clear.
Ji, bete, two. I already have shared to ma'am as well. But the most important thing which you have to learn, you have to improve your body language. The timing was fine. The sound, the
Your
voice,
voice is
everything
not
was very
clear.
good. Ji, bete.
Your voice is not clear.
Now, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Am I audible to everyone? Use the Zoom option to raise the hand or thumbs up, please. Thumbs up if I'm audible. Okay. That's very good. So, now you will again doing the final one. Fine.
Teacher,
जी बेटे.
teacher, आपकी आवाज बार-बार अटक रही है और you are not clear.
Yes, because of electricity now we don't have electricity and I'm connected through my data. Now am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So Sinan, you have to do the speech again. Fine. That will be the final one. Am I clear? Practice a lot. You need more. How many times you will practice, you will improve. So I want all the students to practice a lot. See, I am you should practice a lot. Okay. Who is asking Reja to share some deal with it? Yeah.
टीचर मुझे आपसे पूछना था, मुझे आपको वीडियो बना के भेजनी है?
Ji beta, you have to send the video to me. It's the second practice session, so I want the yesterday's participant to send the video, and today will be showing it to me. Okay. Moiz, Anaya, and Rafi, I'm removing if you don't open the video of yours. Am I audible?
टीचर आपकी आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ रही है.
Yes, beta, I can understand because of the internet issue now. The electricity and internet, because of the rainfall, we don't have electricity from yesterday. You are lucky I'm conducting your class. Yesterday I could not able to take the Air 5 class. Now, am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible, my dear? Okay, that's great. Ji, Abhiya beta, you wish to share something? Ji, Abhiya
Yes, miss,
beta.
I am saying today, teacher, from today I am practicing a lot. Teacher, by tomorrow, in the class I will also tell you my speech, and by the video I will also tell. Okay.
Very good.
By
That-
today I will
that's
submit you the
great, my
video.
dear. Very nice. I want everyone to practice with me as well. You are recording video. It's really good. You are again and again doing so. It's really good. In this manner, you will become fluent and you will become habitual.
Yes,
giving
teacher, that's
speech.
why I'm saying I will
Very
also
good.
I will also do a speech in our class.
It's really, thumbs up, my dear. I want all the participants to do as much as they can. In this manner, you will be habitual of speaking. Why we are doing all this activity? Just to improve your language skills. Am I clear? So I want all the students to take part in it. Fine. I know most of students are not giving their name to Rafi and Fatma. They have shared with me. Rafi also shared with me. Miss, nobody give the name. So I said, okay, no problem, bete. You just practice yours one. But everyone should take part in it. Everyone. Yes, Mubashir bete. Ji Mubashir bete, speak up.
मिस हमें कोई भी स्पीच याद करनी होगी. मिस हमें भी कोई स्पीच याद करनी होगी आपको.
Definitely, bete. You will be doing online as well. You will send the video recording as well to me. Everyone should do that. Do practice with me first, then do the final one. Is this clear, Mubashir? Show your content to me. What are you doing? Let me check each and everything. Then I'll be allowing you to do the final one. Okay? Is this clear, my son?
Yes.
Okay, that's really great. Okay. So today's participant, who are today's participant with Raja? Raja, who was with you?
Dania, Fatma, and Abdullah Danish.
Abdullah Danish is absent. He did not join. And Fatma Mohsin and?
Dania.
Fatma Mohsin is also absent today. Dania is also absent. Okay. Who else wish to practice today? Ji bete. Who else wish to practice today? Mohammad Danish, you wish to practice today again? Bete, Mubashir, Amna, Rafi, and I am removing because you don't open the video of yours. Unmute yourself and tell me the reason. Why you are not attentive in the class? Ji, Anaya, speak up, bete.
मिस मेरी मम्मा मोबाइल पे क्लास लेती है और मैं लैपटॉप पे लेती हूँ, तो लैपटॉप पर कैमरा नहीं है.
You don't have
Why
camera in
from
your
class?
laptop?
Yes, I don't have.
Okay, fine. Amna, what about you, Mois? Amna and Zayan, what about you, bete? Why you did not open the video? You sir, sit properly and be attentive. Where are you right now? Be attentive, bete. And you say you did not show the content of yours to me. When you will be doing it, Richard, the question is clear of yours?
Yes, teacher.
You did not lower the hand now. Abhiya, you as well, you did not lower the hand. Do you wish to ask something? Okay, then lower the hand, my dear. Anaya, you as well. Ji, Shahraza, have you prepared the speech of yours? You did not show the content to me. Ji, what about the speech? Did you prepare it?
Yes, miss.
So why don't you share with me, bete? You can practice right now, na?
Why
Don't
to
you
send
share?
me?
We all are doing practice right now. Achhe bete, come on, don't be shy, start up the practice.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Shahzan and I study in class 6th grade. Today I will tell you about the what would you like to our change our why or why. There must be no equality between poor and rich children. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said justice, equality and tolerance are for everyone. If we equal poor and rich people, then everyone live steady, play, eat, play, sleep nicely. There will be no difference between poor and rich. Thank you.
Practice more. Did you prepare the complete one? It's very short content, my dear. And Sharaza, you are doing as you are reading it. Fine. Use the face expression. You have to express yourself. Fine, bete. So you should add up more points, add more material, add more quotation in it. Fine. At least 3-4 quotations you have to add. Fine. The starter was really
Can
good.
I make video?
Definitely, bete, you have to. But you will be doing again tomorrow. Add more things, more quotations. ठीक है? Ji, Humaira, did you prepare the speech of yours? Humaira and Yusra. Why, beti Humaira, why you did not prepare it? Ji, Humaira, share it with me. Why you did not prepare, beti?
मिस
जी बेटे.
आधी मैंने प्रिपेयर आधी मैंने कर ली है और आधी बाकी है.
Try to communicate in English, my dear.
कल
Okay, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको कल बता दूंगी.
Okay, no problem. But you have to prepare. Everyone should take part in it. Okay, yes, Yusra. What about you? Nothing, you are showing it to me, no preparation, nothing, bete. Why? I want every student to take part in it. So why you are not showing it to me? Where is the speech of yours? Ji bete. Yusra, speak up, bete. If you are facing trouble, you can ask me. जी बेटा बताएं बेटे. जी my dear, share your problem with me. Yusra, you don't speak in class. Where are you looking at right now? जी. Okay, that's really good. When you take class at the time, you shouldn't talk to anyone, bete. Confidently answer me and be attentive during the class time. Is this clear? You are in 6th standard. You should be very confident. Okay. G. Amna, Reja, Rafe, Vania, Anaya. Okay, I shared the problem. Vania, Amna, Sheikh, I'm removing you. Zayan, Mois, I'm sending you to waiting room. The video is not working, so I'm sending you to waiting room. Open the video of yours, Reja. And okay. Zayan, bete, open the video of yours. You are not attentive in the class. Why, bete? Jivania, what about you? Where is the speech of yours? You are not practicing as well. Vania. जी बेटे.
मैंने आधी लिखी है.
Very good.
मैंने आधी लिखी है, थोड़ी सी 2 लाइन रह
When will you practice with me?
मैं आपको कल सुना दूंगी.
Sure. Because
Yes,
it's
miss.
very important to practice. Is this clear? It's very important for you all to practice. Ji Asghar, have you prepared it? What about you? Asghar? Unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Sure, have you prepared it? So you are not doing the practice with me today?
मिस मैं कल करूँगा ना तो पूरी नहीं करी मैंने.
Tomorrow you'll be doing the final one, na today? You don't want to practice? Okay.
मिस रात तक करूँगा.
Okay,
अभी.
fine. Okay, Danish, you did not send the video to me. Yes, Bidya, why you're not sending it to me?
Miss, I will today I will send you. I will fully prepared by me, and then I will send you the video.
Okay, that's really good. But Danish, very important. Your body language was very good. Fine, the face expression was also, but improve it more. Am I clear?
Yes,
Okay.
Miss, I can.
Very good. Very good, Bitin. Yes, Amna, what about you? You don't want to practice here? Amna, unmute yourself. Amna, you have connected with 2 names. Why have you connected with 2 IDs, Bete? Yes, Amna. Okay. Students, this is the competition is continue. We are doing practice these days. So do let me know all the grammar topics are clear, because from Monday after Eid you have your assessment. So any topic which you wish to understand again, you can share with me and ask the question about it. G, raise the hand. I'm giving an opportunity to you to ask question to me. Yes, Sinan.
Teacher, I don't understand the sentence in last test of tenses.
In the last, what was the tense?
What have you done lately?
Bete,
This
it was
sentence I
present
can't
perfect tense. It was present perfect tense. Fine.
Teacher, so I write.
But you did
Teacher,
not
so I
mention it was interrogative, affirmative, or which one it was. You have to write present perfect interrogative. You did not mention it was interrogative, present perfect. I told you have to justify it. Yes, that was the confusion, na? Okay. Yes, Abhiya. Share with him.
Teacher, the last test of tenses. Teacher,
Yes.
in that you have given the picture of a car and a bike. The
Mhm.
car hit the bike. Teacher, in the one line I have write all the thing and all the thing.
Very
But
good.
teacher, it's wrong.
Because of the tense, na beta, you did
But
not
teacher,
use the proper tense. You did not use simple present tense. As I told you, when you are making a newspaper headline, you have to use simple present tense. You should be very careful while using as or without S form. When do we use S form? It's very important. If the subject is third person singular, so we have to be very careful about the subject. Which form we have to
But
use?
Teacher, it also have only one line, but I write off 3 to 4 line. Teacher, isn't it visible to you, the 3 to 4 lines?
No, my dear, only once. And I told you, a newspaper headline contain only one sentence. Okay? There is no need
That's
to
why there is only
exaggerate
one
more.
line.
Definitely. You should be very, Google form, it's very strict. In that you have to be careful about the minor mistakes. If you give wrong space, it will incorrect your answer. So try to give brief answer, but properly punctuated one. Okay, na? If you put a single mistake in the dot.
Teacher, I am also revising my.
Very good. Excellent job. Ji, Reja, you wish to ask something? Ji,
Yes,
Reja, बेटे.
teacher. टीचर मुझे कंटिन्यूस जो वो थे ना समझ नहीं आया.
Which continuous, my dear?
Tenses.
All the continuous one?
Teacher, no teacher, only present.
Present continuous. It's very easy. Look at that. It has the structure subject, helping verb, ing form, and object. What is the subject? Okay, let me open the worksheet for you. Okay, wait, let me share a document now. In this manner, I can easily make you understand. Okay, wait, let me share the screen. Are you all able to look at the screen of mine? Okay, look at that, my dear Rija. It's your question to make you understand. Look at that. The present continuous one. The structure of present continuous: subject, verb, look at that, plus ing form, and then object. This is the structure. Whether it's present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, all will be having the same structure. Clear? Only the thing which you will change its helping verb. If it's present continuous, you will be using is, am, are. Is, am, are. Fine. If it's past continuous, you will be using past continuous. You will be using was, were. If it's future continuous, you will be using will be. Fine. How will you make the sentence? I am writing the note. Fine. If you're making negative, I am not writing the note. Fine. Or if I'm making interrogative, am I writing the note with question mark? Yes, Raja, is this clear to you, my dear? Very good. Yes, Sinan. Do you wish to ask any topic?
Teacher,
Ji.
teacher, I want to ask two sentences in last test. I don't understand.
Tell me the sentence. Do let me know the
Teacher?
sentence which you did not understand. Did you make a picture of that?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, the sentence was he dashed his assignment yesterday. So
He-
teacher, there were options. There were options: had submitted, submitted, and submit. Teacher, so I write had submitted.
Why, bete? I was talking about yesterday, not a day before yesterday. You know, past perfect. Talk about the past of the past. बहुत गौर से सुनिएगा. What is the difference between past and past perfect? जो past perfect sentence है ना, वो past of the past की बात करता है. माजी के भी माजी की. समझ रहे हैं आप? Is this clear, Arsinan? जो yesterday
Yes,
था, it was talking about past tense, only past. Second form you have to use. अगर मैं कहती day before yesterday, यानी परसों, मैंने तो कल कहा था ना बेटे, तो कल मीन मतलब past only. Did you understand?
Teacher,
जी.
yes, teacher. Another sentence. Teacher, phone me when you dash time. So teacher, I have write have.
बेटे, it's about future. Phone me when you will have time. जब आप फ्री होंगे, जब मुझे कॉल करेंगे ना. Have तो बेटे है ही नहीं. अब look at that. How could you use have? Have shows possession. I have a pencil. I have a pen. So I'm not talking about the possession right now. ठीक है ना? ठीक है? Here I'm talking about the future tense. And in future, if the person will be having time, then he'll be calling the person. Am I clear? I did not say.
Okay.
The current movement. If I talk about the current movement now, call me if you have time. अगर आप अभी की बात कर रहे हैं, right now, recent, the current situation. But वो तो future की बात कर रहा है ना? ठीक है? Is this clear, Sinan? Anyone else wish to ask the question?
Okay.
The class time ended, my dear. Tomorrow we will continue with more. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. We will continue this practice session again.